We are here at ServiceSource, our headquarters in Oakton, Virginia, and we are at the Aware Art Exhibition and Barbecue, which is showcasing artwork by some amazing individuals on the autism spectrum, and this is in celebration of Autism Awareness Month. ServiceSource is a nonprofit organization that serves over 25,000 individuals with disabilities nationwide. Through our autism services, we're helping individuals who are on the spectrum who are looking for either volunteer work, internships, or employment out in the community. So they're working one-on-one with an employment specialist who's helping them to reach those goals and build their skills.
It's just the best to see people working together to make a more inclusive community for all of us, with no limits on who gets included.
We have a lot of talented artists under our autism services, and I think that art for them is a good outlet. Sometimes I think it could be a way to communicate what they're feeling in a different way. If sometimes communicating verbally might be challenging for them, I think it might also be sometimes a stress management tool for them, and just another way for them to showcase their talents and their strengths.
I respected you, but now you're gone. All I do is sing a song in your honor. I bet you're listening as loud as I can speak. To everyone here in this room, church, let me preach about a young one, a soldier who's gone too soon.
So ServiceSource is really the bridge between people with disabilities and the community. We are very focused on getting our guys and girls out into the community, integrated. We participate in tons of events throughout Fairfax County, and through our services, helping them with employment and really providing them with an opportunity to work and contribute to their community and just be fulfilling members of society.